Hey, is that fun? Yeah, I don't really need her. I'ma skip around you, Nike sneakers. All my haters all up in the bleachers. They all diss me, so I know I'll treat her. Running routes, why? Call me wide receiver. No one loves me, I know you believe her.
So, yeah. So we at the park. Cause he playing basketball. Like I showed. Say hey to my YouTube channel. Well, whatever, you look like a handsome king. Boy. Okay, you got my baby. Oh, Kobe Bryant right there, babe. I'm proud of you. For real. You're getting better. Ooh. Let's get it. Oh, okay. I see we got the funny Mike here. I mean, what's his name? Not funny Mike. Flight Reacts. I see we got a flight in the building. He a YouTuber. He a YouTuber.
Oh, he watching your video?
No, he don't watch me. I mean, he probably will one day.
Soccer and basketball.
Y'all bet not hit me. I'm gonna have a fit out here.
Get down.
I'm gonna title this Flight Reacts in the building.
I'm in the flight right now. No cap. I shouldn't.
That's biting me.
Real? No.
I'm gonna record for y'all later because the phone was going dead when we got out here. So I'll see y'all later.
Y'all want jelly?
Hey y'all, so we doing a review on these nerds. So me and Dion doing a video on these nerds, a review. We gonna eat them and then we gonna record after we eat them. Yeah.
These are the medicated nerds. But you don't know what the hell we on right now. Look. You think you got some in here infused? I don't think you do.
Don't eat my half now.
It tastes like, no, it don't taste like no nerd.
They said it's nasty.
They wouldn't cap them, they said that for real. Good heavens. Yeah.
Where my half at?
That was not bad. That was not bad. The sweetness came in. This is definitely like wax.
Where my half at? That's my half then. Don't let me. Don't let me, because you just ate a piece, so this mine.
I ate some pieces of candy fell.
Go ahead, then I'm going to do mine next. I'm gonna do half of my half so I can say something for later. I'm not finna eat all this up in one day.
I don't know.
Go ahead, you tear yours up. You gonna be hard. Some clouds, babe. You finna eat all that? You can say that little piece. You gonna be high.
Queen Mari. Queen Mari. Queen Mari. Here you go. Go ahead. Mm-hmm.
I'm kind of scared.
Listen, we ain't trying to be scared now. We already know what you be on, so come on. Eat the whole thing. What it tastes like?
Dang. Hold on. Oh my God.
She said it feel really good. And that's the end of that show, guys. JK, it's a joke. Go ahead.
Oh my God. I feel like I almost shit on myself. I really don't like to say, but this.
Is it really that nasty?
Wanna be the dick, I make me sick. I can't even trust you, hoes, I cannot hug you. For my bubby, deep within the jungle, taking niggas up.